12 ways to hit the daily value of chromium?
Going from least amount of the food that you would have to eat to hit the daily value of chromium to most by weight. But I'll translate that into numbers that make more sense in terms of serving size, and including some of our best food sources of chromium on this list, but also some other just interesting ones to make this fun. And noting that chromium hasn't been measured in that many foods, so I am working off a fairly incomplete data set here. But based on the data I do have, the easiest way to hit the daily value of chromium is with dark chocolate. 18.4 grams, that's about 0.7 ounces of dark chocolate would get you the daily value of chromium. Number two is pistachios, about 21 grams. Again, like 0.7 ounces. Or 30 pistachios would get you the daily value of chromium. Coming in at number three is raisins. We're up to 28 grams, which is 1 ounce, but only about 1.5 tablespoons of raisins to get the daily value of chromium. Coming in at number four is milk. 1/5 of a cup would get you the daily value of chromium. Number five is bell peppers. About half of a medium bell pepper would get you your daily chromium. Number six is white mushrooms. A little over 3 medium mushrooms would get you your daily value of chromium. Number seven is watermelon. We're up to 74 grams, which is just like half a cup of diced watermelon. Number eight is tomatoes. We're up to 76 grams, which is like 4.5 cherry tomatoes. Number nine is beef. We're up to 78 grams, measured raw, which is about 0.8 servings. Number 10 is apple. It would take about 60% of a small apple to get our daily value of chromium. 0.7 cups of chopped apple pieces. Number 11 is beets. 1 serving of beets, that's 1 cup, or about 1.5 medium beets to get your daily value of chromium. And number 12 is bananas. We're only up to 213 grams, a little bit less than 1.5 extra large bananas. So often when we do these lists, I have to add a caveat at the end saying, I'm not saying to eat that much food. Like sometimes it'll be like an entire kilogram of cheese. But chromium's actually pretty easy to get, and all of these are reasonable amounts of these different foods to eat. And if you would like to know even more good food sources of chromium, my best resources is the new appendix in the paperback edition of my book Nutrivore, which lists the top 12 food sources for 40 nutrients, including chromium, and my top 25 foods for every nutrient ebook. You can grab a copy at nutrivore.com/shop.